You were tall, I looked up. From where I sat, wished I would've dressed up. Your first line, I never knew anybody till I knew you. I know when it rains or it pours. I know I was born to be yours.
Hey guys, good morning. We are here in Gudvangen. We're about to go on the Norway in a Nutshell tour. The first part of that tour is a cruise from Gudvangen to Flåm. It's a 2-hour cruise. This is kind of the essential thing you need to do in Norway. Pretty much everybody does it.
Our cruise time is 8:30. There aren't a lot of people here because it's not part of the Norway in a Nutshell scheduled tour. We just booked it on our own.
Yeah, that's the reason we did it on our own, because we didn't want to be part of the big tour groups.
But as I'm saying this, I think I see another tour group.
Your first line, won't forget. So is it true no one's taking you yet? I remember people staring as we stepped outside. They had only one goal, get me off of your mind. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one middle finger and the door shut. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me.
We got pretty lucky on our cruise. There's only about 30 or so people. And yeah, one tour group, and then everybody else kind of did their own thing. So really, really chill, nice cruise this morning. The water's nice and calm, and we're in this beautiful, beautiful place. So it doesn't really get much better than this. Melissa booked us on a premium cruise. There's a few different classes. It has leather seats, it has chargers, it has free Wi-Fi, and there's a little cafe downstairs. And it has all these big windows all around. This is the best way to do the Fjord cruise.
Now that we've come so far, they're going nuts about how happy we are. See the
Come at the very first cruise of the day.
And going the opposite way of most people, so Gudvangen to Flåm.
Yeah, we saw another cruise coming from Flåm, and there was a ton more people on that one. The longest tunnel in the world is from where?
Lærdal to Oslo. But it's not the whole length, it's just the longest tunnel.
So are we going to this tunnel?
We are not.
Why not? That sounds amazing.
It's not on our path, but we can. It takes 20 minutes to get through the tunnel.
This is Flåm. It's tiny. I had thought Flåm would be a little bit bigger than this, but it is tiny. Look how big this cruise ship is compared to the village.
we are. See the bond that we made. It all seems real now that I'm not afraid. And we really got them. Yeah, we sure did write it out. 'Cause we have each other. That's what it's all about. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one.
So an interesting thing about this cruise, it's actually 100% electric. And I don't know if that's the charging contraption. That guy right there is charging the boat with this thing. That is really cool. That thing charges the boat in about 25 minutes. That's impressive. Tesla, you need one of these.
We are here. We have to take a bus back here to Gudvangen. It's only supposed to take 20 minutes. And then we're going to drive. I don't see the road.
It's like up there somewhere. We are now here at the Stonheim Hotel. It has a really good viewpoint, but it also has a nice back patio where we are enjoying our lunch today. We packed sandwiches yesterday, and that's what we're having for lunch, and we always have good chips. If you're ever in Norway, get these chips.
And we really got them. Yeah, we sure did write it out. that's what it's all about. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one middle finger and the door shut. 'Cause I know we are real as can be, yeah. Although we stick to each other, we're free.
Alright, nice little photo shoot up here. It's a beautiful day, but now we are going to drive down Europe's steepest road.
We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me. You still amaze me. You still amaze me. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. Yeah, we still dream of what we.
We are at Stigestein Viewpoint. It is a lookout above the fjord, and the architecture is really cool. So you can see the platform right there.
I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me?
Alright, so if you're up here and you're coming to this viewpoint, on the way up on this one-way road here, there's a little pullout right here. This is a much better spot for a photo instead of being up there with all the tourists.
So we just finished part of the Norway in a Nutshell tour. The next part is the train from Flom to Myrdal, but I just wanted to give you some tips on the Norway in a Nutshell tour. So first of all, don't book it through a tour operator. You can book it all yourself. Most people do the tour either from Oslo or from Bergen. We had a car, so we drove ourselves. But you can just go on the website and look at the timetable and literally just, you can even book the exact same tour that the tour operator is offering for a fraction of the cost, or you can select off times so that there are less people on your train and on your cruise, because the Norway in a Nutshell tour has selected times that are kind of sectioned off for the tour. So for instance, our fjord cruise this morning was at 8:30 in the morning. That's not a normal Norway in a Nutshell tour time. So we got to be on the cruise with pretty much no people. There were like 20 people and we got to walk around freely. Our train from Flom to Myrdal is at 5:25, which I think is also not a normal Norway in a Nutshell tour time. There are also 2 cruise ships in port right now, and because they leave in the evening, I think most of their passengers go on these tours from like 10 to 4 or so. We just saw the cruise ship fire up the steam, so I think they should be heading out in the next hour or so. You could do the tour as a round trip from Bergen. You could do it on the way from Oslo to Bergen or Bergen to Oslo. You can really, there are many combinations of which you can do this Norway in a Nutshell tour. So don't limit yourself. It's really cool. Just look into doing it yourself. It's not that hard.
We're now about to get on the Flåmsbana, or the Flåm Railway. As you can see, there's a ton of people coming back from Myrdal.
Most of the scenery is on the right side, so you want to sit on the right side of the train where it has 3 seats, and also try to get one with the window that opens.
Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
Hey, that was interesting. So they have this nymph that performs at this waterfall. Interesting, to say the least.
So I think the Norway in a nutshell cruise and train ride are pretty, but not any prettier than what you would see just driving through Norway. Therefore, I think you can save your money. We're about to get to the section where there are blue lights. Oh my gosh, this is so cool! Alan didn't believe me that this part of the tunnel, that this tunnel even existed. Oh, awesome! Oh my gosh. What do you think?
This is the coolest tunnel in the world. If you need a tunnel built, you call those Norwegians, man. This is awesome. We are in the world's longest tunnel. It is about 15 miles long. But look at this. What?
All right, so we've had a really long day with an early wake-up call. We basically just did our Norway in a nutshell tour today. You already know my thoughts on that. I don't think you have to spend the money. If you have a car, you can drive around Norway and see plenty of sites that look similar to it for free.
I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was useful for you guys. Stay tuned for more adventures from Norway.
So don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, hit that like button.
Hey, boy,